Hey friends, Dave here. We've been talking a bit about segmentation in the last few videos, and I want to talk about one type of segmentation in particular that I absolutely love, and it's called click segmentation. And basically what this does is this allows your contacts to actually segment themselves. And so it works like this, right? Someone clicks on a link within your email, and then they get added to a list automatically in the background. Right. And so let me give you an example of this. We have a customer constant contact owns a cheese shop. And so he has this click segmentation feature set up on in his emails that has a blurb about catering. And so whenever somebody clicks the catering button, they get added to a list on people that are interested in catering. And so what Peter can then do, the owner of this business, is he can follow up with those people when he's got types of catering information that he wants people to know about, or if he wants to get really fancy, right, he can add automation to that list to follow up with those people, to send them more details about, what goes on with the catering stuff. And so why I love this so much is because, one, not only are you saving yourself time by setting up the automation with that, but you're actually really getting closer to this idea of sending more timely and relevant information, because the trigger is based on when the contact is taking a particular action, which is really cool. So that's why I love click segmentation and why I think you should love it too. So I'd love to hear how you're using click segmentation today, or if you're not, like, what are some ways that you think you could possibly use that? Tell us in the comments below, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye now.